ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ದಿನ today we are going to learn how to do the sentences to say that I was there at so and so place. I was in the park. I was in the temple. I was at home and she was at some place, or maybe he was at office. Okay, so all these things, when we use was, how we can actually make sentences in Kannada, that we need to learn. And also one more advantage of this learning this one particular word idde, okay, is it will help us to learn the past continuous. So these words, whatever we are learning today, these words will actually help us to learn very well about the past continuous. For example, ನಾನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆ. I was at home. I was in the house. So that actually will help us to make sentences with the ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, or ನಾನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ನಾನು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ is nothing but I am telling about me, that I was doing. So in the next video we are going to focus on the past continuous, but before that, learning this aspect is very important to know that I was there and she was there, everything. So one by one we will try to learn today. So here, so let me see. ನಾನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆ. This idde, whatever is we are showing it here, that's nothing but the was. Was in English, whatever we say. నేను ఇంట్లో ఉంటిని అని చెప్తాం in Telugu, and in Hindi मैं घर में था. That is था, वो जो हमने बोल रहे हैं उधर, that is nothing but idde. I believe it should be நான் வீட்டில் இருந்தே or இருந்தேன் in தமிழ்ல அது சொல்லும்போது. So now ನಾನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆ, I was at home. ನಾನು ಆಫೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆ, I was in the office. Okay, so ನಾನು ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆ, I was in the bus stand. ನಾನು ಟ್ರೈನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆ, ನೀನು ನನಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲ, you called me. Okay, at that point of time, ಆಗ ನಾನು ಟ್ರೈನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆ, I was in the train. So that we can use to say that I was there in the so and so place, whatever it is. Idde belongs to me. Okay, and that is idde, first one. And second one, when we speak about second person, that means you, without respect. So that time also what we have to do, the same word we can use. Which one? The idde. ನೀನು ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, you were having your dinner or lunch, whatever it is. ನೀನು ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ, I had come to your house. ಆಗ at that time ನೀನು ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, you were sleeping. Okay, you were sleeping. That's actually ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. Who? That second person. For the second person also we can use ನಿದ್ದೆ, and for me, for first person also we use idde. So then, so ನೀನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆ, you were at home. ನೀನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆ, you were at home. You were in office. ನೀನು ಆಫೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆ, ನೀನು ಆಫೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆ. ನಾನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆ, I was in the house. I was at house today morning. ನೀನು ಇವತ್ತು ಆಫೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆ, you were in the office today. That is idde. And what about the ನಾವು? ನಾವು is we. How can we use this? So ನಾವು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ವಿ. Here IDDIVI, ಇದ್ದಿವಿ is the full word, whereas we can use idvi, IDVI, idvi we can use. So ನಾವು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ವಿ, we were in the temple, or we were in the market, whatever we want we can be able to use it. So ನಾವು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ವಿ, we were in the market. ನಾವು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ವಿ, we were in the temple, we can use. That is idvi. The full word is IDDIVI, iddivi, but we can use it as idvi. Then what about the ನೀವು? ನೀವು is with respect. Neevu is with respect and also plural. Okay, so here what we can do, neevu so and so, whichever the place, neevu maniyalli iddiri. The full word is iddiri, iddiri. Whereas we can use it as idri, idri, idri. So neevu ivattu maniyalli idri, you were at home today, you were at home today. So neevu maniyalli idri, meeru intlo untri. So आप घर में थे, जो हमने यूज करते हैं, that is nothing but the neevu maniyalli idri, idri or iddiri, iddiri or idri we can use. And the next one is neenu. So here we are taking like a question. Actually now we will use as if we are asking question to someone without respect. Neenu, saying that were you there at home? Okay, neenu maniyalli iddeya is the full word, iddeya, iddeya, and we can use it as idda, idya, we can say idya, idya, so we can use, or idda also we can use. That means neenu maniyalli idda, were you there at home? Neenu maniyalli idya also we can take. Idya is the full word, idya also can be taken, or idda also we can use. So neenu maniyalli idda, were you there at home? Neenu office nalli idda, ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಐ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಟುಡೇ, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ maybe 10 years 15 years back, if we can see, when there were no mobiles, we used to call office numbers, the landline numbers. Okay, these days we can call directly to a person. But if I call someone, okay fine, assume someone has the landline at home, so I called them and he was not there, or maybe she was not there, how can we say that ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಐ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಯು? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೀನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದ ಆರ್ ಇದ್ಯಾ we can use, that is were you there at home. And what about the respect one? For respect we need to first use neevu, you with respect, neevu. So here in the ending, iddira, iddi or AA, iddira is the full word and we can use it as idra. So neevu ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರ, ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ, ಮೈ ಸನ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಹೌಸ್. ನೀವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರ, ವರ್ ಯು ದೇರ್ ಅಟ್ ಹೋಮ್? ಇದ್ರ, ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಫುಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್ and idra shows that we can use idra as for the respect to ask someone were you there. Okay, idra. So neevu maniyalli idra is plural and respect for all people, for all males and females. And the next one is nanna magalu. Nanna magalu is my daughter. So nanna magalu maniyalli iddalu is the full word, iddalu, iddalu. And how can we use it? Iddalu also fine. If we are not getting the word properly, idlu, iddalu, iddalu, then iddalu can be taken, iddalu. As we keep using iddalu, 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 idlu, we'll get it later. Okay, so idlu. But suddenly we don't get that sounds suddenly, then easily we can actually try this. Iddalu should be good. Okay, so nanna magalu ivattu maniyalli iddalu. So my daughter was there at home today. Maybe we can say when she didn't go to school, okay, she was at home. At that point of time, we can use this. Nanna magalu maniyalli iddalu. We can take. We can also say pronoun. Avalu. Avalu is pronoun for she without respect. Okay, why I am taking without respect here? Being she is my daughter. Okay, so then here I need not to apply respect. I have used it here. But iddalu we should not use for all others. We can say iddaru with respect for all males and females. Iddalu. So avalu maniyalli iddalu, or avalu devasthanadalli iddalu, or avalu ಊರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ idlu, she was at native, whatever we want, we can able to use it. Then later, that we can be taken for tangi also. Tangi is my younger sister. For tangi also we can say avalu. And the next one, nanna maga, my son. So my son, nanna maga, maniyalli Iddanu is the full word, and we can use it as idda. I, small d, and a. Nanna maga maniyalli idda. Idda can be taken. The full word is iddanu. Iddanu is the full word. Idda can be used as for males to say that he was there. Idda. So ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಇವತ್ತು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದ. He was at house only. Okay, he was at home only today. Like that, actually ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ, when we use, it will become, we are emphasizing on the ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ, that in the house only. That shows he didn't go anywhere. Then, so pronoun ಅವನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದ. So instead ಮಗ we can even say ನನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮ. So ನನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದ. So my brother was at home. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಆಫೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದ. My son was in the office. ನನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದ. My brother was in the park. Okay, ನನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮ ಆಫೀಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದ, ನನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮ ಲೈಬ್ರರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದ. Whatever we want, we can say idda can be used for all males to show that he was there. Okay, avanu is nothing but pronoun for males without respect. And what about with respect? So shall we use tayi and tande? So namma tayi. So nam tayi, namma tayi. So when we say in Kannada nam tayi, we say nam tayi. So we don't say namma tayi, we don't pressure much. Okay, but if you say namma tayi, that's fine. Namma tayi maniyalli iddaru. Iddaru is the full word, iddaru, whereas we can use it as idru, idru. Idru can be taken to show that she was there with respect or he was there with respect, and even for the plural. Okay, so namma tayi ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರು. ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಂಟಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರು. ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿಯ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರು. So he was at my grandmother's place. Okay, iddaru can be shown to show that he was there at so and so place. Iddaru this can be used for all males and females, the iddaru with respect. And the last one is namma bekku. So bekku is nothing but cat, pet we are talking about. Namma bekku ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಪಾರ್ಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅವರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಕಿಚನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು. ದಿಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತು, we also need to understand ittu we say for all the things and animals it was there. That means I had a car. Okay, maybe 2 years back or 3 years back, that I would like to say now. Like that, when we use okay something I had, that is ittu. I had a car. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಎ ಹೌಸ್. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಮನೆ ಇತ್ತು. ನೆನ್ನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಇತ್ತು. Yesterday in our house there was a cat. So that is ittu we use. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನಾಯಿ ಇತ್ತು. So in our house there was one dog when we were in the Pune or when we were in the Madras. Like that we can use. So we had a dog or we had a cat, kind of things. And even for the things also how we apply is ನೆನ್ನೆ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಇತ್ತು. ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ. ಇವತ್ತು ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಟುಡೇ ಇಟ್ ಹಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎಂಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾಳೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಟುಮಾರೋ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಉತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ವರ್ಬ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವರ್ಬ್. ಇರು is a verb, that means be. Okay, iru, iri is be with respect. Irtini, I'll be there. Like how martini, martare, irtini, irtare, everything can be taken. That we'll do in the future videos. So what we focused today is to show that availability or I was there. Was, how we can apply was to all people. Okay, in a particular place, that he was there or she was there or I was there. That's what we have focused. But whatever we have focused today will help us to make sentences tomorrow with the past continuous. Just 1 or 2 examples. If they, this belongs to me, that I was there, and ನಾನು ನೆನ್ನೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಮಾಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ತಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ದೆ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್. That means I was doing. At that point of time, we are going to use this idde. ನಾನು ನೆನ್ನೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. Yesterday night, I was having my dinner. Okay. So ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. I was swimming today evening. Similarly, we are going to apply all the other words in tomorrow's video to show that the past continuous for all the genders. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. I believe these videos will be helpful to you.